Hi friends, in this video let us solve a circuit related problem asked in GATE 2010 EEE paper. The question is, the LC circuit shown in figure has an inductance of L 1 millihenry and a capacitance C1 10 microfarad. The initial current through the inductor is 0, while the initial capacitor voltage is 100 volt. The switch is closed at t is equal to 0. The current I through the circuit. So we have to find the current I through the circuit. What is this? What they have given? The inductor value L is equal to 1 millihenry, C is equal to 10 microfarad, right? Current through the inductor, initial current I0 minus is 0 ampere, and current through the capacitor V0 minus is 100 volt. The switch is closed at t is equal to 0. Right? So, what is the current through the circuit? That's what we have to find. Okay. So, first I do it in a Laplace domain, right? So, and also we know that from the problem they are given IL0 minus is 0 ampere. We know that inductor will not change current instantaneously, so IL0 minus equal to IL0 plus. Similarly, capacitor cannot change voltage immediately, so VC0 minus, that is 100 volt, is equal to VC0 plus. This we must know, right? Okay. So now I draw the circuit in S domain. So what will happen? It will be L, right? L is S into L, circuit in S domain. Right, next to what they have given. So voltage, it is 100 volt, right? So 100 volt they have given, 100 volt minus plus they have given, minus plus 100 volt. Here it is, capacitor is 1 by SC. 1 by SC. So it is 100 by S. In S domain it is 100 by S. Okay. Now current through the circuit is I of S in S domain. So from this circuit, I of S is equal to, right? What I do? I is equal to V by R. So V is 100 by S divided by R, total resistor, SL plus 1 by SC. Okay. So now what I do? I take this S, I bring this S inside. So and I take S outside. Sorry, L outside. So it will be S squared plus 1 by SC. So this S I bring inside and multiply with that. So it is S squared. L I take outside. So SS cancel. It is 1 by SC. So what I do? This is C. I make it as 100 by. So this one I rewrite it. Okay. What is this? Fine. Now what I do? I take 100 outside, L outside, 100 by L. So this is 1 by what I make it. This one you see here, it is S squared. I write as 1 by root LC whole square. In this way I write. So here I should have root LC. So if it should be root LC means what I should do? I have to multiply and divide by root LC. So what I am doing, I multiply and divide by root LC. Why I do? You will understand soon. So 100 by L, right? This is 1 by root LC will come here. Okay, this one, please wait. 1 by root LC I keep as it is. This root LC I take outside. Please bear with me. This root LC, numerator root LC I took outside. This is 1 by root LC divided by S square plus 1 by root LC square, right? Okay, so this will be like 100 into root of L, root L by L, that is 1 by root L, into 1 by root LC divided by S square plus 1 by root LC square. This is what I of S. Now I take inverse Laplace transform. If I take inverse Laplace transform, I will get I of t. I of t is equal to 100 C by L, and you see it is A by S squared plus A squared format. So for that, inverse Laplace transform is sine AT. So sine 1 by root LC t. Hope now you understand why I manipulated like this. Okay. So I of t we found, and L and C value they have given, right? So I of t is equal to 100 into C by L. C is 1 microfarad, it seems, right? What is the thing? C is let us see. C is 10 microfarad. L is 1 millihenry. So C is 10 microfarad. So it is 10 into 10 power minus 6 divided by 1 into 10 power minus 3, 1 millihenry. Sine of 1 by L, 1 into 10 power minus 3. C is 10 into 10 power minus 6 t. So that is equal to I of t, that is 10 sine 10 power 4t. So ampere. So I of t is equal to 10 sine 10 power 4t. Let us see. 10 sine into 10 power 4t. Is there anything? Yes. Option D is the right answer. Thank you.